I'm Kirsten with Embroidery.com. I'm going to show you how to enhance the size of the images being shown to you with your Thumbnailer program. I have Thumbnailer installed on my computer, and you can see that the images being shown to me right now are really very small. I can change that, and I'm going to show you how. In the top of your file folder, go to the View tab. Here you can see that I've got mine set on Details, which shows me details. Shows me a small image, the name of the file, the date it was modified, the type the file is, and the size. To make things bigger, I might choose a different setting. I could choose small icons, which changes the view, but it doesn't really change the size of the icons. So next, medium icons, and that actually does make them bigger. I also have the option of choosing large icons or extra large icons. So that's how to make them bigger. Now let's look at the file name extensions. You see I have two of pretty much everything in my folder, and I can't really tell them apart from this view. Now if I go over to the file name extensions checkbox and check that, look what happens. It adds a .be to the file name on the left and a .pes to the file name on the right. Now that's important to me because I use these different file types for different purposes. I use the BE file if I'm going to be making edits to the design in my Embrilliance software, and I use the PES file if I'm going to be stitching the design on my embroidery machine. This is Kirsten, and this thumbnailer video comes to you from Embroidery.com.